In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram add interest not working problem. You can see that add interest not working, not clicking. So how to fix this problem? For fixing this problem, click on three line, scroll down. Now click on help. Now click on report a technical problem. First of all, check photo to report problem, disable this. Now click on report problem, include and continue. Now enter your problem here. Right here, Instagram add interest not working. Please fix this problem as soon as possible and click on send. Now I hope that Instagram fix your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.